So our firm basically has a philosophy that we want to do things that are necessary, and any action that we would take would have to have an end game, a result in mind. When people first separate, they'll go to the respective lawyers, and the lawyers basically are looking to take a financial snapshot of the parties on the date of separation. And what they utilize is a form called a financial statement. And so a lot of people that have been married for 15, 20 years say, well, why do I have to pay for the lawyer's exercise for them each to do a financial statement for me, when in fact, I know what my husband makes for an income, I know what his RSP is, I know about his pension, I know all these things. So that's the issue. So why take this step? And it is true that if people want to do a schedule to their agreement, that assets and debts on the date of separation, and perhaps assets and debts that may have existed on the date of marriage, we can do a schedule like that and bypass that that procedure of the financial statements, because that in and of itself could be thousands of dollars on each side. Now, people should bear in mind that financial statements are like insurance. You go buy insurance because there's an assessment of risk there, and you think, oh, I want insurance just in case something happens. Financial statements can be the teeth to a domestic contract. Basically, somebody's doing a sworn statement saying this is my financial statement, and then later, if that statement is inaccurate, had an omission, or was just false, somebody can challenge the agreement. So that is something that people need to understand, that sometimes that added layer of cost is necessary, especially if let's say a husband had a corporation and he had a lot of retained earnings, and those things were kind of being hidden away from the wife. It is that extra step in a financial statement that gives the teeth, and if you just think of it like insurance.